Students, today the solutions of NCERT which I was dealing in previous class is now continued today also. Question number 16 of NCERT book I am taking. The question says, which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV in 1 hour and a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. You see here, one data for the TV is provided, that is 250 watt TV in 1 hour. I have to calculate the energy. And another instrument that is using device is 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. Better to just for the solution portion, if I just consider, then the energy can be calculated in SI unit, that is in joule, but it would be better if I just calculate in commercial unit. In commercial unit. Now set solution part you look. Set, that is first is TV set, for TV set. Okay, for TV set. We have P is equal to 250 watt and the time is 1 hour. And the formula to calculate the energy is very simple, is equal to, based on the data that has been given, P into T. You see here 250 watt, better to convert it into 250 by 1000 kilowatt, right? Now put the value of P and T. So P, this is 250 upon 1000, right, kilowatt for P, and for the time I have 1 hour, so 1 hour. This is equal to ultimately to 0 point, cancel this, this becomes 2.5 kWh. This much energy, this is the commercial unit of energy. I can write 2.5 unit of energy. Okay, this is for TV set. And now second portion, now for toaster. Again, what about the value of P? P is given 1200 watt. Again you just take it, this value in kilowatt. So this becomes 1200 upon 1000. Now this becomes kilowatt. What about the time? Time is given 10 minutes. So write T is equal to 10 minutes. But I have to convert it into hour. How? By dividing it by 60, this converted into hour. Now the same formula I will apply here. Energy is equal to, again, P into T. Okay, P into T. So this is equal to, what about P? 1200 upon 1000 multiply by 10 upon 60 kWh. Now simplify. 1000, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2. This becomes 0.2. 1200 watt divided by 1000, 30, 10 by 60, this becomes 0.2 watt. Which one is 0.2 watt? No, this is 0.2 kWh. Okay, now see, the energy utilized by toaster is 0.2 and energy utilized by the TV set is 2.5. Clearly, it is clear that energy consumed by TV set is more. This is your answer.